Now welcome to the fourth question. A cylindrical vessel containing a liquid is rotated about its axis so that the liquid rises at its sides as shown in the figure. The radius of the vessel is 5 centimeter and the angular speed of rotation is omega. The difference in the height h of the liquid at the center of vessel and at the side will be, and these are the four options given to us. So let's move to the solution. Now what we have done is taken h is equal to y. So y is equal to omega square x square upon 2g. And at x is equal to 5 centimeter, y is equal to h. So h is equal to omega square into 5 square upon 2g. Putting the value of 5 square as 25, we have 25 omega square upon 2g. That is the answer.